the Monster of Alberta backs down a little bit. Yes, this is Toad Vlogs in the Morning Show, and I'm going to talk about Ed Stelmach, the Monster of Alberta. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, see, Ed Stelmach doesn't like healthcare. He hates it. Why? Because its buddies who are running private hospitals want him to get rid of it. He wants to bring in these private hospitals so they can make big money instead of having public-funded hospitals where everybody gets helped. See, rich people don't like to wait. They don't like to wait. They have the right. They're rich. They have the right to get their hangnail taken care of before that cancer patient gets treated. So, yeah, so he's been cutting funding to healthcare for so long to try to destabilize it enough that he can push through these private healthcare laws. And one of the things that he's done is there's the waiting lines at emergency rooms have become unbelievable. And people are dying. People are dying. And the opposition had, and is one of his own ministers, who he has since kicked out of the party, kicked out of his position, the health minister, was the one that first brought this up, that their people are dying because they have to wait too long. And so he absolutely forbid there to be any investigation. Well, now because the public have said, hey, you can't do that, they're going to have a secret investigation. Nobody gets to know about it because we don't want the public to get alarmed. So yeah, so he's going to have this secret investigation, which is going to be a whitewash cover-up, and nobody's going to get to know about it. Even the other members of the opposition may not get to know about it because it's going to be so secret. And that their excuse for this is, oh, well, we're going to protect people's privacy, and this will allow more doctors to come forward and speak about it. You know what? If you're a doctor, and people are dying because of government health cuts, you should bloody well be screaming at the top of your lungs. Now, there may be laws, and probably are, that prevent doctors from doing this because the government, hell no, they don't want anybody to know the scumbag shit that they do. So this inquiry should be public, and it should be posted in every freaking paper and news, and Ed Stelmach should pay for his crimes against the people. Yeah, so I think, if you have contacted the government about this already in Alberta, you should contact them again, because this has to be a public inquiry. It has to be independent, and it can't be a whitewash campaign. Now, Ed Stelmach is the Monster of Alberta, and this is proof of it.